Welcome to Arithmedics. Our team brings together deep expertise in both technology and healthcare. Our mission is to transform healthcare administration by automatic decision making using AI, and the beachhead problem we are solving is revenue cycle management. Currently, revenue cycle management is bloated, slow, and opaque, involving multiple intermediaries. We aim to streamline this process, making it leaner, faster, and more transparent by empowering physicians to automate the entire billing and coding workflow. Let me show you a demo of how this works. Here's a clinical note from a patient visiting the clinic for chronic liver disease, liver cancer, and multiple other medical conditions. This detailed note includes a comprehensive assessment and ends with an impression report and plan. Normally, determining the correct billing level would require evaluating multiple parameters. Instead, with a simple click on the Arithmetics billing assistant, the system automatically extracts ICD codes, assigns the appropriate CPT code, and clearly stratifies the billing level. It also provides an explanation for these selections and suggests any additional steps needed to bill at this level. Now let's look at another note, an endoscopy report. The patient underwent an EGD for certain symptoms, and the results indicate a normal procedure. By clicking on the Arithmetics billing assistant, the system instantly identifies the correct indication for endoscopy, receives the appropriate CPT code, and includes the necessary sedation procedure codes. It applies any required modifiers and offers explanations along with recommendations for any missing elements. If the procedure involved banding, the system would generate a different set of codes and indicate what documentation is needed to establish medical necessity. Lastly, for a colonoscopy note, the assistant extracts the correct ICD codes, provides the CPT code with the appropriate modifier, and suggests additional details that may be required. Thank you very much for listening.